Hey everybody, welcome back to Dogs FPV Live channel. Today I want to share with some of you viewers out there a little package I got in the mail from Get FPV. Great company to order from, fast on the shipping. I took advantage of some sales that went on last Friday here. They had the Father's Day Black Friday sale with some DJI stuff. We ordered some of that, so I got some more goodies on their way, which I'll be sharing with you guys as well. And what I have today, I want to go ahead and do the unboxing with everybody and show you what I got. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like my videos and contents and want to see more of this, please hit that subscribe button, leave your comments below, and hit that like button. I really appreciate all the support that everybody's given me so far, and I look forward to doing more unboxings and buying new equipment and trying to show you guys some of the equipment maybe to help you before you make the plunge and spending the money on all these products. And that's kind of my goal here at Dogs FPV. I just want to share my whole FPV experience with you guys, and maybe do some test flight videos. I am not no pro pilot by no means. I am still a beginner at FPV, and I definitely I'm enjoying it a lot. So to get everything kicked off here, just to let everybody know, I did have an accident back in April, and I actually broke my pelvic bone in 3 places. So it's kind of kept me a little bit homebound and grounded, so to speak, and I can't wait to get back out here and get at it with some more flight videos. Until then, I ordered some equipment. We'll go through some equipment together. What I like, what you guys think about it. Leave your comments, hit that subscribe button, and let's get on with opening up this box, see what's in it. Okay everybody, let's go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and get this box opened up for you and see what we have in here today. What I got to show everybody today, get it opened up here, get it out, show you what's in here. I went ahead and ordered the Emax Tinyhawk Freestyle 2, and I have the Tinyhawk Freestyle 1. I enjoy it quite a bit. I actually had a little accident with it about 2 weeks ago. I was flying it out in front of my house, sitting on my porch because I had nowhere else to go, and I decided to do a great big dive from way up, and I didn't pull out of it quite quick enough, and it kind of bounced off the concrete and fried the board in it. The drone actually survived well. I didn't break a frame, didn't break a camera. It just killed the board and it was dead. So it was either ordered some parts for that, or go ahead and ordered the new Freestyle 2 with all the new improved parts. Of course, what you get in the box here, as you can see, is you get the 2 450 milliamp batteries, which is standard for the Emax on these. And those are the same batteries you get with the Tinyhawk S, and that you can convert this over if you like. We'll go ahead and take this foam out of here. You get your, you also get your standard USB charger. If you don't have an actual 1S charger, they'll work. They do an okay job. I've used it in the very beginning, and it worked fine for me. You also get in the box here. You get some. Looks like we got some spare screws and some little gummies for your boards and things like that, which is always nice to have. So we'll lay them out, and then we got the Tinyhawk Freestyle 2, and as you can see, it's changed a little bit. They definitely added a better camera to the front of it. They put the little wings out here so they can add this new RunCam on it. And they also upgraded the VTX in here, and I believe it's a 25-100, and it goes all the way up to 200 milliwatts on the VTX, which should help this thing out a lot. That was probably one of my biggest complaints, was the VTX and camera on the old one. Other than that, it was a great flyer. I mean, I love flying that thing around the house and in the park, and it was just all around good flyer. The video footage on it, though, on the Tinyhawk Freestyle, the first version, due to the camera, it wasn't super great video, and I never posted a whole lot about the videos that I did with it. I have a couple online if you check my channel, but I still flew the first one quite a bit and enjoyed it. I didn't have to post the videos. I just had a lot of fun flying it. It was a great little flyer. So this came exactly like the first version. It has the two 1S plugs on the back of it, and this looks a little beefier than the first one. It may not be on the antenna. I do notice that they have the receiver hanging out the back here. I'll probably put a zip tie and some heat shrink or something on that. And they're using the same motors, and they're using the same style props, the Emax 2.5s. And this thing really, I mean, with these props, if you're looking for something to step up to from the Tinyhawk, the original S version or something like that, you want something doing a little bit more freestyle to take outdoors, these things are great, man. I mean, I can't say enough about them, and I can't wait to get this one in the air. And I'm hoping to be able in the video here is to show you some corner footage of this. If the wind's not too bad, I'll go ahead and get it bound up, and we'll get it, you know, set up with the QX Tranus I have, and we'll take it outside and try to get a little bit of sidewalk footage, if nothing else, just to kind of show you some footage. And I might run another video of the first Freestyle I have and run it side by side, so you can kind of get an idea of the camera and the VTX, and we'll compare them and see how much greatness this thing has. But for the price that it comes in at, you know, $119 is not horrible for them. You'll get a lot of fun out of them. You can take this off and you can put an XT30 on there or something like that, and run a 2S battery off of it if you like. I have quite a few of these around because if you're like me, I started out on the Tinyhawk S version, just the indoor version, and then I bought, you know, some Happy Model Snapper 7s, which use these as well, and just a few of the tiny whoops that I have. So I have quite a few of these, so I don't mind running two of these parallel on the Freestyle 2 like this. As far as flying, these things fly awesome, man. And you know, for a little tiny quad like this, they're great to get out there in front, you know, around your house, rip around, take it to a local park, and you know, they're just a wonderful little quad. I can't say enough good things about Emax on that one, and I had no issues with the other one at all until I actually bounced it off the concrete, and that was my own fault. But other than that, it was a great quad, and that's why I went ahead and bought another one. So if you haven't got one of these things yet and you're thinking about it, I hope this video will help you out. And if there's any questions that you want to ask me, go ahead and leave comments there below. And if you like the videos and the products that I'm trying to review for you guys, and like my channel, please support me, hit that subscribe button, and we appreciate you watching. And until next time, thanks for tuning in to Dogs FPV. Happy flying, guys.